name is Hanushni Ravindran and my metric number is 15D8019F2003. As we know, snacks are nowadays a better choice for everyone. But the interesting thing that we all have chosen are traditional snacks as our business project. The specialty is 100% homemade. We use high quality ingredients for these traditional snacks. The main ingredients that we use are flour, salt and different types of spices. Our target customers are all people which are kids, adults and whoever loves to eat snacks in all states in Malaysia. Our supplier is PKH Enterprise Kacang Puteh and it is located at Ipoh, Perak. Wow, this tastes so good and delicious. You should try this. Our products will serve you feel hungry. These traditional snacks are crunchy, spicy, affordable, oilless and free coloring. We are very confident that our customers will love our product because it can get easily in reasonable price. So this is our value of proposition for our product.
Hi, my name is Sindhuja Selvaraju. My metric number is 15D80 19F2006. Today I want to present about snack bites. They are 5 channels comes to the business. They are raising awareness regarding our product, evaluating value proposition, organization, customer product, arranging item for delivery and finally post purchase customer. When we talking about awareness, firstly we will think about advertisement. Advertisement is the best way to create awareness and let me keep our product and their price also. It's advertising. They are normally at online marketing in use of social media platform. From such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Shopee will be considered. We have advertising our all the platform as much as possible to gain our customer more than more. Okay, next will be evaluating business value proposition. Consider customer review to better and those to good or bad. We are ready to talking our customer comment it positively. We work more and change about taste, packing and delivery. Next will be how to purchase our product. There are 2 ways. Request for online payment if they are far to us, and second one is cash on delivery only near to our house. Furthermore, when decide how to deliver our product to customer, we are looking forward for the over the customer deal near only, since most of our customer living so far, so we decide to deliver our service in Post Raju, Grabs like that extra. Okay, last but not least, we want post-purchase customer support, customer assistance, expiry date and storage method also we also consider. We ready to send another parcel to our customer whenever snacks is problem. The last one is we are taking return policy on our service too. Next, why is important our customer? How to apply in our business our customer? We need to keep in touch with them. Something that is important to be harmonized by both parties, where the communication between trader and customer to establish a good relationship. Okay, lastly I'm talk about promotion or discount. We give promotion to the snacks in the festival time only. Example, Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Independence Day, Deepavali, like this only. Next part is a discount. We will sell small packet snacks RM touring it 50 cent only with 200 grams. We got a discount price. Whenever you buy a 2 packet snacks, we only give 4 ringgit 50 cent only. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Taneshwari Ramesh Kumar from DAT4A and my Metrica number is 15.19F2036. So now I'm going to explain you guys about snack bites, but basically my friends has explained about snack bites before my slide. So let's go to the video. So here I am as a representative from my group going to explain you guys about our revenue streams of our snack bites. So basically we are doing online shopping. So our main two revenue streams are from online shopping and sales. So from online shopping we are getting a lot of orders, and through that we are getting a lot of commissions and profits through customers. So as you all know, we are at the point of place where every country have pandemic. So I think online shopping is a main platform where the vendors or the sellers, even the customers, can buy the things with just one tap in their phone. So as a vendors, we received our commission through online shopping. I think online shopping nowadays is become a normal word to everyone because since this pandemic hit us very hard, online shopping has helped us in a lot of term of shopping online, in term of buying online, in term of even Food Panda, even if you want to order foods, clothes, accessories. So online shopping is a mainstream where we get our commission and profit. So in addition, we are also hiring a lot of teenagers or even adults or even housewives to join our snack bites as an agent. If you're interested, do PM us now. So guys, this is an example of a sale. We always promote our snack bites through social medias. So we will do these sales during celebration of festivals times, or even 11/11 sale, or even 12/12 sale. This kind of things is just to attract customers' attention and just to help poor people or even can't afford people to buy our snack bites and enjoy the crunchy snack bites. Okay guys, let's move to key activities. There are 3 types of key activities that we are running. First of all is orders from suppliers, second is online sending, and the third one is marketing. So the first thing to run our business, the key activity we did is orders from supplier. So for an explanation, we will get our orders from the suppliers. So basically we get only orders from online selling. So for an example, we are getting orders from media social such as Facebook, Instagram, or even Shopee. Okay, this kind of platforms helps us a lot by getting orders or even to promote our business and hiring some agents for our snack bites. So guys, please check out our Instagram, Facebook snack bites and click order now. So now I'm going to talk about a main party which involved in the production of the product, who helps the business to become more smoothly, and they also give a big impact to our business. And I'm sure if there are no such as party like this, sellers like us won't be able to do this kind of business. So here I'm going talking about key partners, which is first one is PKH Enterprise Kacang Puteh, which is our suppliers. So basically we order our stock to suppliers and they will send us the stocks to us. Basically PKH Enterprise Kacang Puteh is located at Ipoh. We directly will receive our stock from them. So thank you so much, suppliers, PKH Enterprise Kacang Puteh. So the second main heroes I'm going to talk about is couriers. So we are using Ninja Van, Post Laju and JNT. I'm sure all of you know what is that. So basically customer will receive their parcel through couriers. So thank you so much these couriers. I'm sure if there are no couriers in this world, people like us won't get any parcel. So thank you so much, and don't forget to click the link and order snack bites.
Hello everyone, I'm Danusha Kaidasan, number metric 50D8019F 2009. I'm going to explain about cost structure and key resources from our product. From cost structure, the cost of sales are Rm 2 ringgit 50 cent per packet of 200 gram for 5 types of snacks. The total cost of packaging that we are using to pack snacks Rm 74 ringgit 48 cent. We are selling 5 types of snacks. The snacks are ubi pedas, kari muruku, pakoda, bantal kecil udang and mixture pedas. Next is I'm going to explain about key resources. Key resources are the things you need to deliver your value of proposition to your customer segment. There are 4 types of resources. The first is physical resources, human resources, intellectual resources and financial resources. As we are selling in online, physical resources that we are doing is buying from supplier, then we are packing into small packets and we restock them so the customer will be easy to eat and carry everywhere they want. Secondly is human resources. All our teammates need to do small marketing regarding to our product. We realize that this is prominent element to enhance in knowledge, intensive and creative marketing ideas. Third is intellectual resources. One of our teammates with proprietary knowledge in business activity. It helps establish a way for business to engage customer and also to attract customer to buy our product. Lastly is financial resources such as cash in hand or cash on delivery. When customer order our product, we will delivery by own. After getting the product, customer have to pay. That's all from me. Thank you.